Hi Sarah. Long time no see. How are you?
Hi Alex. I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine. I was just having a coffee. Do you want to join?
Sure, thank you. I love coffee. So Alex, how is your college life going?
It's busy but exciting. I have many classes this semester.
What subjects are you studying?
I'm studying English, computer science, and history.
That sounds interesting. Do you like English class?
Yes, I do. But sometimes grammar is difficult for me.
I understand. Grammar can be tricky, but practice helps a lot.
By the way, I went shopping yesterday.
Oh really? What did you buy?
I bought a new pair of shoes and a backpack.
Nice. I also want to buy new shoes. Were they expensive?
Not really. They were on sale.
Lucky you. I love sales. Shopping makes me happy.
Haha, me too.
Do you like traveling, Alex?
Yes, very much. I want to visit many countries.
Me too. I dream of going to London and New York.
Wow, that's great. I want to visit Japan and France.
Traveling is a good way to learn new cultures and practice English.
Exactly. English is so useful when we travel abroad.
So, what are you doing this weekend?
I don't have big plans. Maybe I'll study and play football.
Why don't we meet and practice English together?
That's a wonderful idea.
We can go to the library on Saturday afternoon.
Perfect. And after studying, we can eat pizza.
Haha, deal. Studying plus pizza sounds amazing.
Sarah, I'm happy we are practicing English together.
Yes, me too. Speaking every day makes us confident.
Let's promise to speak English whenever we meet.
Promise. Practice makes perfect.
Great. See you on Saturday.
See you. Bye.